From Actionable Ops, here's how to get Hermes to generate images, from a quick mock-up to a polished design comp. The pitch is short. Type your prompt. Hermes calls FAL.ai under the hood, returns a PNG, and saves it to disk. 9 models supported out of the box, each with different speed, quality, and cost trade-offs. You pick which one is active. It persists in config. The easiest path. On a Nous Portal subscription, the tool gateway runs image generation server-side, no FAL key. Pick Nous subscription as the image gen backend in Hermes tools. Or sign up at FAL.ai, generate an API key, drop FAL key equals in.env. Picking a model is a one-screen menu. Run Hermes tools, pick image generation. You get a column-aligned table of the 9 models, with speed, strengths, and price. Arrow keys to navigate, enter to select. Your pick is saved to config.yaml under image gen. Quick map of who is good at what. Flux 2. Klein 9B is the default under 1 second, fast and crisp, cheap. Flux 2 Pro is studio photorealism. Z-Image Turbo is bilingual English and Chinese. Nano Banana Pro is the Gemini 3 Pro reasoning model, deep prompt adherence and text rendering. GPT-Image 1.5 and 2 are SOTA, at text rendering and adherence. Ideogram 3 has the best typography. Recraft V4 Pro is for design and brand systems. Qwen handles complex text. The same tool also edits existing images. Pass image_URL with a source photo and the backend routes to its editing endpoint automatically. Add reference_image_URLs for style or composition cues. 4 backends support editing, FAL on edit-capable models, OpenAI GPT-Image 2, xAI Grok Imagine, and Crea 2. Text-to-image-only models reject image inputs with a clear error, and the tool description tells you at runtime whether editing is supported. A practical workflow. Start cheap. Generate 4 variants on Klein 9B at half a cent each. Pick the one that is closest, then rerun that prompt on Nano Banana Pro or Recraft V4 Pro for the polished version. You spent 2 cents on iteration and 25 cents on the final instead of $1 fishing on the expensive model. One quality note: the GPT image models are pinned to medium quality. The low and high tiers are not exposed to keep portal billing predictable. If you need a true cheap option, Klein 9B or Z-Image Turbo. If you need top-end, Nano Banana Pro or Recraft V4 Pro. That's Hermes image generation, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.